How to fix unable to change country region in App Store on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check for active subscriptions. If you have an active subscription, you need to cancel it before you can change your country or region. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID, go to Subscriptions, and check for any active subscriptions. Cancel any active subscriptions that might be tied to your current country or region. Next, use up any remaining Apple Store credit. If you have any unused balance in your Apple ID account, you'll need to use it up before changing your region. You can either spend it on apps or content, or you can add funds to your new region once the country change is successful. To check for balance, open Settings, your name, Media and Purchases View account, and tap Apple ID at the top, where you can check if there's a balance remaining. If there's still credit left, use it up or contact Apple support to remove the credit. After that, remove any family sharing or payment methods. If you're part of a family sharing plan, the organizer needs to remove you from the plan before you can change your region. Also, ensure there's no active payment method tied to your Apple ID account. Go to Settings, your name, Family Sharing, and ask the organizer to remove you temporarily or to manage your payment methods. Make sure your payment method is up to date or set to None in Settings, Apple ID, Payment and Shipping. Then check for pending orders or purchases. Pending transactions, including unpaid purchases, will prevent you from changing your region. After that, log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out and back into your Apple ID can refresh the system and allow you to change the country region. Go to Settings, your name, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Then sign back in using your Apple ID credentials. Next, update your payment method. Once you've resolved any issues with subscriptions, balances, or family sharing, ensure that your payment method and billing address match the new country or region. To do this, go to Settings, your name, Payment and Shipping, and add a payment method that's valid in the new country or region. Finally, try again to change your region. If none of the above solutions work, there may be an issue with your account or device that requires Apple support's help. You can contact Apple directly for assistance in resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue, preventing you from changing your country or region in the App Store on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,